Gentlemen, synchronize your death watches.
Alright, so do not play the game right now. Do not play Team Fortress 2, do not play Counter-Strike, no source game right now. You shouldn't be messing with any source game at the moment, because recently the source code was leaked for source engine games, including Team Fortress 2, Counter-Strike, maybe some previous titles, but hackers are able to do things like remote code execution, so they can like get a hold of your computer, they can rat you, they can do a lot of nasty things to your computer just because you're in the server. You can get VAC banned just by playing on these servers, because if a hacker's in the server with you, they can inject you with a cheat, and a lot of nasty things can happen. There's also a possibility that because of the remote code execution, people are able to delete all of your items automatically. There's no confirmation, it just happens. There's not much we can do right now except for wait. Valve, I hope, is doing something. But see what's going on over here. Yeah, there's a lot of data leaks too. A lot of nasty stuff is going on because the source code was leaked. Patch notes. Nothing. The game hasn't been updated yet. We're just waiting on Valve to update things. There's a torrent of the source code right now on 4chan, so anybody can get a hold of the source code. That's pretty dangerous. There's no point in playing the game right now unless you really don't care about your items or your account. You will get hacked. They could rat your computer. They could do a lot of nasty shit. The competitive community for Team Fortress 2, RGL, has made an announcement warning everybody about this. You really don't want to be playing right now. Everything's on pause until further notice. It's not in a good state right now. Yeah, just a fair warning, don't play the game unless you're offline or something. I really don't know what the hackers are capable of, but source code's out there. Anybody can do anything with it. I don't know. The developer of CatHook. Okay, it's confirmed. The developer of CatHook discovered a way to 100% use remote code execution on TF2 just by you being in the server. That means anybody can run any type of code on your computer just because you're connected to the server. Nobody should be on right now. It's not safe. Thinking about it though, if you look back, this could be a blessing in disguise, because that means Valve has to actually touch the game. I'm not entirely sure how long this is gonna last. It's a pretty scary thing to be going on right now. There's a rumor going around that Tyler McVicker, I think that's his name, from Valve's news network, was hoarding the source codes from Team Fortress 2 and CSGO before 2017, and he leaked it to his Discord friends. I don't know how true that is. I don't think he would do anything like that. He really likes source games. And I don't know if source code from 2017 would be of any use, but it is a source engine we're talking about. Valve doesn't really give a shit. I doubt it. They did any sort of security updates since then. There's a lot of stupid things going on right now.
Do not play the game. It will fuck you up. Do not play the game.
Just a little postscript message. Apparently, Tyler McVicker might be going to jail. That's right. Valve's news network might not be a thing anymore. I really don't know. I honestly have no clue. I don't know if he is going to jail. Apparently, he's not the one who leaked it. his friends had access to it and they leaked it. You know, you always know the law is involved with something. You can just say, "Oh, my friend this, my friend that," and get away with it. That's gonna save him. But I really have no clue. I doubt he would do something like that. But I saw a post of him saying that if I think it said if you're going down, if I'm going down, you're going down with me, something like that. Find it exactly. Okay, it says right here, Valve News Network. It looks like from Twitter or Reddit, maybe? I don't know. It's a website I'm not familiar with, but it's the Valve News Network page. It says, if you do end up leaking something, you are going down with me. And it was a group. I have the image right here. Let me see if I can bring that up. No, I'm not able to insert the image, but proof's right there. Or the closer I get to finishing this video, more content is just, more information is coming out about it. I now have access to the chat logs on Pastebin between Tyler McVicker and a guy named Cephalon, I guess is the guy who Tyler got the source code from. I'm not entirely sure. This information could be easily faked, but it's a chat log between two people, and I'll put that in the video description if anybody's interested. If YouTube allows Pastebin, I have no clue. Wait, it just got deleted. The file just got deleted. I have the entire chat log copied. I'm gonna paste it, make a new one in Notepad. Alright, I saved it. I don't know where to upload this to. Leave that on the desktop. Okay. This would be a cool thing to do a dramatic reading of. Okay, so the file just got removed from Pastebin. But I have the chat log. It's not gone. I have it right here. I don't know where to upload it to. I don't know what YouTube allows and doesn't allow on the descriptions or whatever. But I'm trying to think here. Add my Discord. Add my Discord. I'll put that in the video description, and then I could just send you the file. I have it saved. So if anybody's interested in the chat log, I have it. I'm not entirely sure if it's fake or not. Very well could be fake, but it seems pretty legit. As I'm making this video, more and more information is coming out like by the minute, so the video is going to be a lot longer than I expected. Alright, and as I'm making this, I found more information again. This is like the third time. I just want to finish the video already. But this fucking Transexual Flowerpot JC Lambda, JC Erdstream, I don't fucking know. All the way down here. Where the hell is it at? Fuck, I just found it. The explanation of every leak. So, he knows. And yeah, I'm gonna say he, cause
cut your dick off all you want. Still a bullet.
But so he knows everything, apparently. If you want to read it, just go to the Twitter up there, whatever. Tyler and his friends were in a group for making recreation betas for Valve titles, and it's been becoming more and more mainstream. They used to call it was called the F-stop concept. This fag was a member of Lever for the past 4 years and is familiar with Tyler's friend and his behavior. And then he goes on to say, brings up the chat logs, brings up who actually is responsible for the leak, what's going on here. So this person knows. This person is in the loop with Tyler and the other leakers, and I'm gonna put money down that this person has had something to do with it. 100%. Whistleblowing to save your ass. It's not not an uncommon thing. I guarantee you he was in one too. They were all part of this archiving group for f-stop. Says it right here. 50 gigs repository of software files and media. You're not innocent, JC. You're really not innocent. I don't know. I wouldn't say Tyler is innocent at this point either. Nobody in the f-stop crew was innocent. No matter how long you worked there, it could have been for a second, whatever. You're not in it. That's it. That's it. You're not innocent. Quit trying to save your ass. Get a fucking lawyer. Yeah.